Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex coach. I welcome you once again to this channel, Engulfing MorningStar Fx. If this is your very first time on the channel, kindly hit that subscription button and turn up the notification bell so that when next we upload new content on this channel, you'll be among the first set of people to be notified by YouTube. Yes, traders, I'm doing this video just to educate you more on how to analyze the market, how to do your analysis in the financial market. Yes, I actually saw my confluence on 1 hour time frame. I actually took my trade on this candle. So before I could take that trade, I drew my trend line and I noticed that I already have these two supports on the trend line. So I drew the trend line and I expecting that the market will reverse back. Even if it's going to go up, it is expected to reverse back a little before going up, before it gain its momentum to shoot up again, if at all it's going to go up. So but with the look of things, there is possibility that it will come down the more. So when I drew this trend line, it gave me the opportunities to take my trade from here, from this candlestick. I took my trade on this candlestick right here, second to the last candle. I took my trade here, right here, on this candle. Yeah, right on this candle there, at that spot. So the reason I took that trade is because I can see that there is possibility that the market will reverse back. And one of the reasons I took my trade, I have, like I said, I can see some confluences there. So I can't just take a trade without having the confirmation. There is a consolidation here, as you can see. We have consolidations here, as you can see. So having seen that, it shows that this is likely to form head and shoulder right there. So there's possibility it's going to form head and shoulder in the nearest future, very soon, in the next few hours. There's possibility that this market is likely to form head and shoulder pattern. So but even at that, even if it doesn't do that, another reason I had to take this trade is because I can see that I haven't seen this bullish candle. I noticed that there is a full force reversal, a full force rejection by the bears. So the bears were pushing back, while when the bulls are trying to push up, the bears are pushing back with full force. As you can see on this candle, with this candle, you can see there is a huge rejection. You can see a very long rejection. You can see that. So that's a sign for me that there is possibility that this market will sell. And you can see the next candle there after it, immediately after that rejection. So immediately after this rejection here, immediately after this candle closes, I can see that, you can see here that the bulls also try to push up again. The bears rejected. The candle actually closed, giving us a sign that the bears are still in power. So the bulls try to pull up again. The next candle, they try to pull up again, but they were rejected also. So that's when I thought of it that, okay, let me take this trade here. So that's why I took the trade here, knowing fully well that there is possibility that the market will still sell. Let's go to higher time frame, 4 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening there. You can see what I'm saying. You can see this. I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing. There is a huge rejection here. The buyers tried to go into the market, but they were rejected. They were rejected. They were rejected. You can see they were rejected. Another time again, they tried going up again. They were rejected, and that's why we can see the peers in full force in the market at the moment, as you can see. So you can see, and now talking about support and resistance, I haven't seen that. I haven't gotten this confirmation here that okay, the market is ranging here and there's possibility that it should sell. I haven't seen that. That's not enough for me to go into the market. I also thought of it that yes, there is a support here, which is this trend line, which the market is supposed to come back to before going up again. The third time, at least the third time, it should come back to this level before going up again, if at all. So, but if that is not going to happen, it should get to this place here, which is supposed to be a support level, which is not a strong one yet anyway, but at least it should come back to this place. So that's one of the reasons I took my trade here where I took it. So traders, having said this, I hope I've been able to educate you a little more on how to do your analysis in the market before taking your positions. So as you can see, I'm actually making some cool cash here, traders. If this is your very first time on this channel, kindly hit that subscription button so that when next we upload new content to educate you more on how to do your analysis in the financial market, you'll be among the first set of people to be notified. Thank you, and keep trading like a professional forex trader and the market maker. Cheers.